Alright, so we're gonna try to do a little tutorial here. First time I've ever done one, so you gotta bear with me. This is the first time I've even used this screen recorder. I usually use PSR, but apparently Windows just felt like we didn't deserve to have it, so I don't get the personal steps recorder anymore, and I'm used to using that. But we're gonna try it with uh, what am I using here? I'm using OBS. Whatever OBS is, OBS screen recorder. But anyhow, what we're going to try to do is try to show you how to put a custom ringtone on your iPhone. I recently got an iPhone, and boy, oh boy, was I upset when I found out that it's not that easy to put a ringtone on it like it is an Android phone. With the Android phone, you just take and drop it in, drop an MP3 in, and boom, you're good to go. But with the iPhone, boy, you can't even see your file system, and I won't even get started on that. I don't. I'm not very. I'm not very happy with that phone, to say the least. But I guess it works, and I guess I'll keep it and use it for a little while, till somebody else says, "Hey, I really want to. I really want that phone, man. Sell it to me. Name your price." And yeah, then I'll be moving back to Android real fast. But anyways, so we're gonna go over here and take our MP3. Well, actually, we're going to start over here in the iTunes library, and we're going to add the file to the library. We're going to take our Jog on Gravel. Now it's imported into our songs library. Then we're going to highlight it, go over to the file menu, select Convert to ACC version. There, now we have the ACC file, which is in .m4a format. So then we take this, go over here to our, we go to our basic, oh, yeah. I went down to my iTunes library and in my Explorer, File Explorer, went down to where it put the Jog on Gravel file. Highlight that. Now you want to change the extension from the M4A to M4R. So the M4A is the M4 audio, M4V is M4 video, M4R is ringtone. So you want to change it from M4R or M4A, the ACC audio, to M4R. And then you just simply come back over to your iTunes application, select tones, go back to File Explorer, highlight the file that you want, click on it, drag it over, and drop it in your tones. And there it is. Jog on Gravel is now a ringtone. It's being synced with my phone even as we speak. So we'll go over here to the phone, settings, sounds. And last time I made this, I did with the ringtone, and that got a pretty loud ringtone. I had the military telephone for the ringtone, and it's pretty pretty loud and shocking. So let's change our calendar alerts because I never use that. And for some reason, it's not showing up in there. Well, then let's go back to that. Okay, so I go back. So for some reason, this tones doesn't want to show up in the to be able to run as a calendar alert, which is, oh yes it does. You just have to go down further to ringtones. I was looking at alert tones, so I just go down to ringtones and select Jog on Gravel. And there's my Jog on Gravel. So there you have it. That's how you put the custom ringtone on your iPhone. I tell you, I had such a hard time. I looked everywhere and read through so many tutorials and so many different web pages and watched so many different videos. And I don't know, maybe I just missed the point. Maybe I missed steps. Maybe I don't know what it is, but I could not get any of them to work. And then finally I found like two or three different videos, and I combined all the steps together and I figured out how to make it work, because everyone just says, oh, it's so easy, you just take it over here and you just drop it into the tones folder. Well, that's provided that you start out with the proper ACC format, MP4 or M4R. Everyone else just said you just simply take this file here and we'll change the name on it to see if we can even do that. Everyone else said just highlight it and change your MP3 to M4R, and then that's supposed to be able to just be able to drag and drop. And that's the problem that I was having. It was not copied because it cannot be played on the phone, because MP3 is not the proper format for the ringtone. It has to be the ACC format. So you can convert it with, well, no, and I'm not even going to, just do it like this and you're good to go. Drop it import it into your library, convert it to ACC version, and you're golden. So that's how you create your custom ringtone to put on your iPhone, and there you have it.